Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to review your loan options on Bright. Are you looking for the right loans? Well, Bright makes reviewing your options easy so that you can compare and choose with confidence. First, open the Bright app and log into your account. Once you're in, tap the Loans or Financing tab from the bottom menu. Next, select Loan Options or Explore Loans. Bright will show you different loan types, that's personal, auto, student, etc., along with current interest rates, terms, and monthly payments. Tap on any options to view more details such as APR, fees, and repayment schedule. Bright may ask a few questions about your income and credit profile to provide personalized offers. Review each loan option side by side, looking at the total cost, the monthly repayments, and the term's length. When you found the one that suits your needs, tap Get Offer or Apply Now. You're going to receive a pre-approval check and you can proceed to submit an official application form there. If this helps you compare loans more efficiently, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bright app tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.